big problem for meat goats is disease, especially internal parasites. What our research using the goat's genome and harnessing the goat genome, information about the genetics of the goat, what it does is it provides us a way of selecting those goats that are best able to fight disease. That minimizes costs for the producer. It also ensures food safety for the consumer. And so genomics is a way, an avenue of a sustainable approach to controlling disease problems in the meat goat industry. The idea is to understand the goat, how it responds to infection and disease, and how it fights it naturally. If we understand the genetics of the goat that makes it best able to fight diseases or disease-causing organisms, then that already eliminates the need for treatment. And that is where the chemicals, antibiotics, antihelmintics come in. If the animal is not able to resist disease, then we have to treat it. But if we understand the genetic makeup and select for those animals that are most resistant, then we don't have any chemicals or very little chemicals in our food supply. We've identified genetic markers that are important in minimizing infection. They're very important in minimizing the disease. So it's not necessarily that you have an infection that is bad, it is the disease that results that's bad. So by understanding what genes are involved and then how they can be turned on and turned off, manipulated both in the animal and then by natural, for example, plant-based therapeutics, then we can best produce an animal that withstands disease and also provide the producer with avenues for intervening if the need arises using natural methods. This research that we're doing is good for the small ruminant industry, but it is important for the livestock industry as a whole. And the livestock industry is a very big part of North Carolina agriculture. And then really the impact of what we're doing long-term is to reduce issues in food safety. So we want safe food, but we also want to make sure that there is enough food. In a world where the population is increasing, work with genomics, understanding genetic differences, is really the sustainable way of ensuring that there is enough safe and nutritious food. So what we think that what we're doing will contribute to that, to food safety, food security, both in North Carolina and globally. I think that is a big contribution because goats are consumed worldwide and they serve as nutrition worldwide. The other aspect is that we think this will contribute to the development of novel biotechnologies that will aid in animal health issues.